So this guy is being completely racist because my 1 year old is making noises. And guess what? You're gonna go viral. Because that's the only way to stop you guys is to put you on camera. Shame on you. No, shame on both of you. This world would be a much better place without you two. That's completely fine. That is completely fine. They are being so racist because my 1 year old.
This is what happens
ridiculous.
When someone has a dinner that makes their children really, really noisy.
Wow.
This person
you
right
need to
here
back up.
has a children
I don't
right
feel
here
safe.
that makes a
you
really
need to back
loud
up, sir.
noise.
You need to back
So,
up. I do not
back
feel
off?
safe.
Why back off?
You need to call the cops right now. I
How
do
about
not
this?
feel
Call
safe.
cops. Call cops.
You need to call
Your
the
children
police
is making
right
a lot of
now.
noise.
She's a baby. She's 1 year old. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I am like, what is wrong with you? Wow. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.